Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to verify your age on Google account using the latest update in 2026. So first of all, you need to open the settings on your phone. Once you are inside settings, simply just scroll down here in this list and try to find the option of Google. Most probably this option will be in the last in this list, but if you are not able to find this option here in this list, simply scroll to the up, use the search bar here on the top. Over here, simply type Google. If Google option is available on your device, it will be shown here on the top. Once you are able to find it, simply tap on it. Now it is going to show you the email address and related details. So here you need to simply tap on the profile icon of your email. After that, select your Google account. Once you are here inside your Google account, tap on the option of personal information. Over here in the personal information, tap on the option of birthday. Now here in the birthday section, it is going to show you your birthday which you have selected previously. So when you tap on the arrow right next to it, it is going to show you your birthday just like so. So in order to change your date, you just have to simply increase or decrease the year number that is given here. So once you are done, simply tap on the option of save in order to save the changes, and this way basically you will be able to verify your age on Google account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.